Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to have a look at the Nokia 8.1. So without any further ado, let's have a look at the box and then we'll have a look what's inside the box and at the main device. So as you guys can see over here, Nokia branding with the picture Nokia 8.1, Android one as it has the stock Android. And this guy retails for around 28,831, but I'll have the latest pricing of it in the description down below from Amazon, and do buy it if you are interested from my link. It will help to promote my channel. So over here, Nokia 8.1 branding, that's it. On the back side, here is some specification and a few pictures of it. So as it says, a pure display of 6.18 inch, that's 15.70 centimeter. If it has got an FHD plus display, it has got a 12 megapixel plus 13 megapixel dual rear camera with Zeiss Optics and a 20 megapixel front camera. It has got an advanced AI imaging, dual site mode, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 mobile platform, and it has also got a fast charging. That's it guys. So now let's unbox it. So over here is the main device. So this one is in the iron color, which I have it in my hands right now. So let's keep this aside and have a look at it, what else comes in the box. So over here, as you can see, you get some pamphlets and a preloaded on the phone app which will be coming on it. That's it. Over here you get the SIM tray ejecting tool. So let's remove this so that we can have a look at it. The SIM tray, what we get. So over here, I think so all the accessories are in this, and I think for this budget and this price, I think they should have included a normal TPU case, as it has a glass back which is a little fragile. So over here is the charging brick, Nokia branding, as you guys can see over here. So this has a fast charging capability. Here you get the earphones and Type-C charging cable. So let's keep all this aside and have a look at the device itself now. So here is the device, and let's power it on. So first let's have a look at the overview of the body. So over here you have the SIM tray. Let's have a look at it. I'm hearing this sound after a long time. So as it has got hybrid SIM slot, you can either use one SIM card and one memory card, or two SIM cards. So that's really nice, and it inbuilt it comes with a 64 GB memory. So over here on the bottom you get the microphone. Here is the Type-C charging port and speaker grills. On the side you have the power key, the volume rocker. On the top you have the .5mm headphone jack. So that's all. Now on the back you have the fingerprint reader, the dual flash, and the dual camera setup. And this camera is by Zeiss, so I think it will be pretty good, as Zeiss makes really pretty good lens for the camera and DSLRs. So now let's have a look at some of its specs. So it has got a 6.18 inch display. It has got front and back glass, and then got aluminum chassis of the frame, hybrid slim slot, and it has got an Android 9, that's the Pie, with the Android stock Android, Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 and octa-core processor. And this guy comes in two variants, that's the 64GB with 4GB RAM and 128GB with 6GB RAM. It has got a single camera, that's the front 20 megapixel and 12 and 13 megapixel rear dual camera setup with 1.8 aperture, which is really nice, really give you the bokeh. This smartphone comes in 5 color variants, 6. That's the blue, silver, steel, copper, iron and steel. So like there are two types of steel color variants. I am actually not sure what's the difference in it. And it has got a non-removable lithium-ion battery of 3500 mAh. So that's all for the specs. Now let's have a look at the software that we are getting over here. So as you guys can see that it has a stock theme or the Android that's going on. There's nothing on top of it, which is really nice. It's simple and nothing complicated. So that's the Android P. Let's have a look at the storage. So out of the 64GB, 13.39GB is used for the software and the other data for this phone, and that's it guys for this. It's really nice and it has a really vibrant screen as it's still on the half brightness. Let's now make it full, but you won't be able to see it if I increase it in the video. Now as you already know or you have used an Android one or a stock Android mobile phone, you might be knowing how the other apps comes. So that's how all the apps you can see, and you can see that it has got an FM and all the stock apps from the Android one or the Google. So that's all for this. Now let's have a look at the camera. So let's take a few pictures of this. Before that, let's have a look at what else you get in this. So here is the normal photo mode, the pro mode where you can set everything: white balance, aperture, ISO. You get a live bokeh mode where you can get a portrait kind of mode where you can blur the background. Panorama and square mode. Here you get the video mode, slow motion, and the time-lapse mode. That's really nice to have it when you are on the go. So now let's have a look or take a few pictures of this. Now let's have let's take another picture with the live bokeh and see how it blurs the background. So So let me show you the difference what you get over here. So as you guys can see over here, in this the Nokia branding has been blurred. Over here, as you can see, the full image is clear and there is no bokeh over here. So that's the thing that you get in the bokeh mode, or the live bokeh as it says. Sorry, let's take a few pictures. Hi guys. So this is the front facing camera, which is a 20 megapixel. So let's take a picture. So here's the picture, as you guys can see. So that's all guys for the Nokia 8.1. Let me know how you feel about this smartphone in the comment section below, and if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it and hit the like button hard. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.